Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no hardware connected error on a Focusrite Scarlett 18i20. Let's get started. This error means your computer isn't communicating with your audio interface. The fix starts with the most common hardware issues. First, try a different USB-C cable. The original cable can fail, so swap it with a known high-quality cable. Also, try plugging the cable into a different USB port on your computer, preferably a USB 3.0 port directly on the motherboard, not through a hub. Next, ensure the interface has power. The 18i20 requires external power. Check that its power supply is plugged in and the unit's power switch is turned on. You should see lights illuminate on the front panel. If the hardware checks out, the issue is likely software related. You must completely uninstall and reinstall the Focusrite driver. Go to your computer's settings, uninstall the current Focusrite software and driver. Then, restart your computer. After restarting, download the very latest driver for the 18i20 directly from the official Focusrite website. Install this fresh driver and restart your computer once more. This clean installation often resolves the no hardware connected error and gets your Scarlett 18i20 working again.